This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow ingredients for divine sushi in your garden. First, select a prime spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, prepare your soil, ensuring it has excellent drainage and a balanced pH level, ideally between 6.0 and 7.0. This foundation is crucial for healthy plant growth. Then, choose your core sushi vegetables, such as crisp cucumbers, sweet carrots, and pungent daikon radish, to begin your culinary adventure. Now, let's dive into some essential vegetables for your sushi garden. Cucumbers are a must-have, offering a refreshing crunch and mild flavor that complements many sushi rolls. Carrots bring a beautiful, vibrant color and a touch of sweetness, adding depth to your creations. Don't forget daikon radish. Its unique peppery kick and firm texture provide an exciting contrast. These vegetables form the backbone of many delicious homemade sushi dishes. Beyond the core vegetables, consider adding herbs and garnishes to elevate your sushi. Shiso leaves offer a truly distinctive, aromatic, and slightly minty flavor that can transform a simple roll. Green onions provide a mild, pungent freshness, perfect for sprinkling over finished sushi. And for a touch of elegance, edible flowers like nasturtiums not only look beautiful, but also add a subtle peppery note. These additions make your sushi truly divine. Finally, it's time to harvest and prepare your garden's bounty for sushi. For the best flavor and texture, harvest your vegetables when they are young and tender. Once picked, thoroughly wash and prepare all your garden produce, ensuring it's ready for rolling into delicious sushi. Remember, fresh ingredients make all the difference. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.